morning, my dear students. I am Ms. Tejaswini and I am here to teach you mathematics. I hope all of you are fine staying at home and safe. I wish we all see each other very soon as possible. And your previous chapter in mathematics was taught by Ms. Shailaja ma'am, that is fractions and decimals. And the next chapter will be taught by me, that is comparing quantities. Without wasting much of our time, let us move to the chapter. Comparing quantities is the chapter where we are going to deal with the comparing different quantities such as height, weight, kilograms, etc. So you usually compare in your daily life, like with the height from one to another, or weight from one to another, or from rupees, or from any other quantities like number of pieces, number of chocolates. In the same way, we compare so many quantities. Under comparing quantities, the first concept what we are going to learn is called as ratio. So all of you know what is the meaning of ratio. The ratio is the quantitative relation between any two things that should be of same unit. For example, all of you know that your mother cooks at home. Suppose if she is cooking rice, she will take the ratio as 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. So here the ratio to the rice and water is 1:2. So this is the ratio of 1:2 to cook rice at home. Suppose if we are taking 2 cups of rice, how do we write? We take 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water. So when we are taking 2 cups of rice, we are taking 4 cups of water. Still, the ratio remains as 1:2. How it remains as 1:2? Here we have taken 1 cup rice and 2 cups of water. So the ratio is 1:2. And here we have taken 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water. It gives 2:2. So 2:4 is the ratio. So how do we say it as 1:2 is the ratio? How? I will teach you. So when I take the ratio 2:4, ratios can also be written using these two dots that indicates is to. So this is the dots that is indicating is to. So when we read 2, we read it as 2:4, and it can also be written as 2/4. So these are the two ways that we write ratio, and the ratio can also be reduced as how we reduce the fractions. So when we reduce 2/4, we get 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is 1/2, which is nothing but 1:2. So that is why when I said 1:2 and 2:4, they remain similar and they are equivalent ratios. So we will move to the exercise now. So we start with the first exercise of this chapter, that is exercise 8.1, and it is there in the page number 157 in your textbook. So the first question is to find the ratio of, so we have to find the ratio of the two given quantities. Remember children, when we are finding the ratios, the two quantities given, they should always be in the same units. That means if one is in rupees, the other should also be in rupees. If one is in kilograms, the other should also be in kilograms. They should not differ. So in the first one we have rupees 5 to rupees 250 paise. So we have to convert these two to the same units. We know here we have 50 paise and here rupees 5. And we also know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So we all know that 1 rupee makes 100 paise. So here we have 5 rupees. So 5 rupees makes 500 paise. So when we have converted 5 rupees here. We have got 500 paise, and we have the other amount as 50 paise. So we have to find out the ratio 500 is to 50. So when we are finding out the ratio, we have to reduce, writing the ratio in this way. So when we reduce, we get 0, 0 gets cancelled, and 5 ones are 5 tens are. So we get 10 by 1. So the ratio is 10 is to 1. So this is the final answer. Now we move to the second problem, that is 15 kg to 210 grams. Here also you can see the first amount what they have given is in kilograms, and the second is in grams. So we have to convert this kilograms into grams first. So we get 1 kg makes 1000 grams. Therefore 15 kg makes 15,000 grams. So the two units what we have to find the ratio of are 15,000 and 210. So we have to find out the ratio of 15,000 is to 210. How do we find out? The same way how we have done here. We have to find out the ratio as 15,000 by 210. So when we solve this, we get 0, 0 gets cancelled, and 3 sevens are 3 500s are. So further 507 cannot be divided. So we get the reduced form as 500 by 7, where the final answer will be 500 is to 7. So this is the final answer for 15 kg to 210 grams.